Hi everyone. In this video we are going to cover up Microsoft Tips. Tips app is there to provide details regarding Microsoft features and upcoming news. You can see what is new. They will share with you everything that you care about is one swipe away. These news will keep coming. We have all the tips according to the categories. If we click show all tips, you can see every category has multiple tips. If you click any one, I think we in the previous video we covered up to personalize, stay safer. Yes, still stay safer. Yes, where you use a unique password and stuff like that. Now we are going to move forward with the rest of the tips. If you click create ultimate desktop, you can simply set up how you can know customize your startup menu. I think we did this as well, but let's go through it again. To pin apps, you can to use often that apps that you usually use or more often use. You can open with the start menu and right click on the app. For example, any document or any app, you can right click and unpin from the start menu or pin or unpin from the taskbar. Taskbar is the bar, this purple bar down there. You can swipe to the next one. You can pin, personalize your taskbar. You can pin stuff to your taskbar. You can use multiple desktops. If you click there, you will see multiple desktop. We created this, yeah, this one yesterday. For example, if you have multiple desktops, you can have every desktop opening different kind of. If we open this in Cognito, so it will not open our. On this desktop, you have on one desktop you have Chrome open, while the other one you are still doing whatever you are willing to do. And likewise, you can have on the third desktop, or you can have multiple number of desktop. You can open a Word document like this. Now you can see each desktop has their different app. One or multiple apps can be opened. For example, if you will go there, we choose from here. If you hold your cursor there, it will ask you which layout you like, and likewise you can open Excel or anything, any document like that. So you have two documents open right away, and you can use multiple desktop this way. Now the next step is you can pin the files also. You can stay focused on while using focus assist. So you can choose focus settings, and you can choose how long you will be focusing. For example, you need to complete one specific task, so you would not get any alerts. Just select 30 minutes. Now the system will not bother you with alerts and stuff like that. When you're done, you can close the focus assist. Next, Windows adapts to you. Usually, whatever you do, You can set up the settings, make the text bigger. Simply go to settings, accessibility. You can simply search here, accessibility. You can go to settings, accessibility. Here you can choose the size of the font. You can see the size, it gets bigger and smaller. You can use 100% or you can increase up to 225%. That is what is allowed. The text size. Same way from accessibility, you can choose your mouse cursors here. You can see what will be the scaling. If you scale it 100%, you need to sign out and sign in again, or else accessibility. You can use text cursor instead of using a regular text cursor. You use your own colored, whatever color you like. You can have a magnifier, read out loud. This is new feature in Windows, Microsoft, and even it is there in uh, Microsoft Edge. You can open Edge, and the Edge will read whatever the page you have opened. There, this is the shortcut key, Control Shift U, or read aloud.
Open menu. World.
If you
US
select some
politics.
specific, it will start reading from there. There is that reader's view, or you can click read out loud aloud.
Russia's war in Ukraine. By Travis Caldwell, Andrew Rain, Leon Colleran, George Ramsey, Ivana Kodasova, and Adrian
So
Voigt,
this features
CNN.
helps you read instead of you reading everything. You might be having difficulty, or if you're not sure what the word will be pronounced, you can use this. Next, you have Windows H. You can, instead of typing, you can use your voice, typing with your voice while you talk. Windows H. Here, whatever the word editor you have opened, hi, today is Friday. So this is how it is going to start writing. Whatever you are saying, it will keep writing. You can turn it off, close it. Once you are done, some words it might not get properly. You might have to rephrase or correct those words. So it is a very wonderful and easy to use feature from Windows. You can customize the captions also. You can go to again settings, accessibility, and captions there. We'll go in all these details under settings in our upcoming videos. You can stay focused again with Focus Assist. That was the, I think, previous version that was there. Now it is, yeah, it's not sure. It's not showing there. So you can use in the latest update, I believe they have put in the calendars app, in the calendars feature, they have put assist. You can use Focus Assist there. So we are done. Windows will adopt to you. Let's boost the PC performance. To boost the PC performance, always keep your system up to date. I'm running Windows Insider view, we'll discuss about Windows Insider program as well. I'm using the latest developer edition updates, that is NI means nightly build release, and that is the version. These versions, if you go to community, you will see all the version notes, what this contains, what is in this preview, what are the changes in general, improvement, everything. If you go there, you will find Windows Spotlight, that is the new feature upcoming that will be available. There are some fixes that were reported by developers like us. So always keep your Windows updated. Startup apps can slow down. So you can go simply to apps in the settings. By to go to settings, you can use start menu and go to settings, apps. Here you can choose default apps or startup apps. Which app will run in the beginning of when the window starts. I have already fine-tuned this. I will disable Microsoft OneDrive also. Teams also not that much needed. Yes, you need Windows security notifications. If you have more apps, they all will be displayed here. That require to be started in the beginning of the Windows loading. You can free up the space also. Just search storage. You can manage storage specifications and all that. You can manage storage spaces. To manage storage, go to Start, Settings, System, and Storage. You can go to Systems under Settings, and there you find Storage. You will see how much data every app is using or occupying on your system or on your disk. It comes individually for each app. All apps, whatever the disk space they are using, it will show here. You can use Microsoft Edge 41% faster. Yes, they have improved the productivity or the fast ability of the Microsoft Edge a lot in the recent times, especially with Windows 11. It is doing really great. For a faster PC, try sleeping tabs. You can go to settings, more. For a balanced life of your battery, just search, you can choose turn on battery saver on or off. Use battery saver. To do that, go to system settings, settings, system, and you can use power options, power and battery. There you can see all the usage your battery is doing during. You can turn on or off your battery saver mode so it will not drain your battery at all times. For a faster PC, turn off visual effects. To do that, go to Start menu, Settings, Accessibility, and Visual Effects. There you can turn off transparency or animation effects. You can see here under Accessibility, go to Visual Effects. You can turn on the transparency effect or always show scroll bars. If you show scroll bar, it will show that will put a load on your PC's processor to show scroll bars always. If you turn them off, it will only open when the system goes on. Transparency also, you can see the desktop, show desktop, or if it is transparent, it will show in the background of any image that any page you are using. Or you can even turn off animation effects